It's a party, it's a party, it's a pop 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 pop. It's a party, boys! Mega money Mondays. We are here, we are ready. Richard's already convinced that it's a sell today. Love to see it. Love when the chat's convinced. I love it. Just Friday, we had someone in the chat say, fuck it, I'm going short at the literal bottom. Somebody, imagine, somebody was able to call the exact bottom in the NASDAQ on Friday based off of going short. They literally were like, fuck it, I'm going short. And then they literally picked the bottom. It was good. It was real good. I mean, it's, fuck it. It was on, baby. It was on. All right. We're back. What a weekend. We had a weekend, my friends. An absolute weekend. Real weekend. Nah, I lived it up this weekend. Living my best life. On Friday night, went out with some friends. On Wednesday night, went to the Magic game, sat courtside right next to Serena Williams' husband. I said, hey, are you that guy from Reddit? Or are you that guy that married Serena Williams? You're one or the other. Which one are you? I'm the #1 day trader on YouTube. Yeah, look me up, bro. But then Sunday, also went airboating. Went airboating with my dad Saturday morning. We went airboating, saw some alligators and shit. And then went to the Magic game. We won. The Magic beating the Milwaukee Bucks. Taking them down. I think it's because I was there. You know, I really pumped them up. I was yelling at the other team and said, boo, you suck. #1 day traders in the crowd. Watch out. So we're doing a giveaway today. Blow up my Instagram today. And there's a link there in the chat. Go leave a comment. Leave some love. Hit that like button on that reel there. And I'll pick a winner a little bit later. But right now, let's do it. Mega Money Mondays. Right now on the QQQ. Got a little bit of a gap here, my friends. Over the weekend on Friday, I guess Moody's came out with a negative outlook on USA. Come on, man. The same people that were rating the bond, CDOs and the mortgages as AAA rating back during the mortgage crisis are now saying that the USA is negative. That sounds like buy the dip kind of moment right there, my friends. You're gonna bet against America? Hell no. Hell no. There's a reason. We got the biggest military in the world. It don't matter. It's all fugazi, boys. That debt ain't real. Who's gonna come to collect? China? China's not gonna come collect. Russia's not gonna come collect. Ain't nobody coming to collect. Think about that. Nobody's coming to collect on that debt. I'm going to go ahead and just say that right then and there. Ain't nobody coming to collect. All right. So I like this setup right here on the daily chart. We got a bit of a bull flag kind of set up here. Expecting, there's no news today. No news on this Monday. And we had that huge move up on Friday. All the bears capitulated there on Friday. They got absolutely blown out there on Friday. If you were bearish on Friday, you had a bad Friday. What a move. And the best part is, like, I think we got in at 360. It went through the 400s, went through the 500s, all the way up there to fucking 600. 240 points from our entry there on Friday, just going straight up. Gotta love it. You gotta fucking love it. What a move. Friday. Anybody get that whole move? Anybody just fucking buy the dip on Friday and just hold it all day? Who did it? Raise your hand in the chat if you went all in all day. I'd love to see somebody just put up a fucking the hand in the air. Like, I just don't care. Wolf Trade Academy. Obviously you did because you're a fucking wolf. You're a wolf trader. Yeah, ICT. Nope. He didn't though. He actually showed he took profit. And then he later on said, I told you the market went up. I told you. I see. Did anybody catch ICT's fucking spaces on Saturday? Oh my God. 6 hours. 6 hours of ICT just rambling on about the most insane shit. Literally. 6 fucking hours of just most incoherent, most insane shit. Dude was nuts. He literally was like, I'm laying on my couch right now. I'm laying on my couch right now, guys. And I'm just talking, you know, I'm just talking on my couch for 6 fucking hours. What a lunatic. Fucking lunatic, man. He's fucking nuts. All right. I don't think there's any chance we're going to see the low. I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but the low from Friday there, the 200s. The high from Friday, 612. Like I said, kind of expecting some inside action today. You know, we get some kind of choppy action, kind of build out this possible bull flag kind of breakout setup here. Unless we just, a lot of that momentum, maybe it continues over on Friday and we push up here. I don't know. I mean, that problem is, like, if you look at the pivot points, these that next pivot points all the way up there at 735 here today. Right now, the NASDAQ, right there at the VWAP, I'm thinking that there's a better chance we kind of pull back. I think if you look here at the daily chart, this is kind of a good pullback zone. We could pull back into this 470, kind of that breakout level there from Friday when we broke above the high there from Thursday. Kind of pull back into that, and then we push back up off of that for possible kind of buy the dip setup there. And there's you know, just that setup there to kind of pull back, test that high from you know, Thursday there. So that's what I'm kind of thinking. I could be wrong, you know. Don't quote me, but it kind of makes sense, right? To kind of pull back into this 480, 470 level. What I would say. Fuck yeah, my nose is running. Everyone's like, Petter's doing cocaine. He's doing cocaine. Look at him. People literally like have made videos on YouTube saying that, like, I rub my nose and I'm doing cocaine live on YouTube. Are you fucking nuts? Oh, you're fucking nuts, people. Fuck out. He's doing cocaine. You saw him? He did it right there. Oh, look, he's doing it again. He's rubbing his nose. The fuck? Come on. People are nuts. Like, come on. Like, if I was doing coke live on fucking YouTube, I might have a problem. I want to just make it very clear. I literally do not do any drugs. If you know my family history, my mom, my brother both overdosed on heroin. I've never done anything that insane, but like I said before, I mean, come on. You think that, like, my family dying from overdosing on drugs would make me be like, guys, I really love doing drugs as well. It's so much fun. No, I kind of have, you know, a little bit of a bad taste in my mouth when it comes to fucking drugs. So yeah, not a big fan. I try to just get high on life, baby. Get high on this Red Bull right here. I don't need to do cocaine to have a good time. Woo! This is that liquid cocaine, Red Bull. Gives you wings. Let's go, baby. Oh, like I said, we're doing a giveaway on Instagram today. Show me some love there on Instagram, and I'll pick a winner later on today. Send $100 to $100 giveaway. You can buy fucking like 9 Topstep Combine accounts a day. $100 giveaway here today, live on YouTube. For one lucky son of a bitch. Today, Topstep, by the way, right now, Topstep has a deal going on. It's the $50,000 combine is only $11. You know? You can buy as many as you want. Yeah, no, they won't stop. It's kind of like, it's honestly, I saw people buying like 10 at a time because they're like, fuck it. Because it's honest, like, you think about it, if you buy 10 accounts, like, I'm not saying to do this, but if you buy 10 accounts, I mean, normally the price of the reset's $49. So, I mean, you could fucking buy enough counts to last you your rest of your life. But that's only for the first month, by the way. So, $11. Oh, fuck. The link don't work for the fucking Instagram. God damn it. God damn it. All right, right now, we're looking here at the hourly chart. Staying focused here, people. Let me get the link for the Instagram. If you don't have my Instagram already, it says @Patrick Wieland Inc. Oh God, I'm gonna get demonetized now. I'm gonna get demonetized. There's a link there in the chat for the Instagram. Go leave a comment, hit the like button, and we'll do a giveaway later on today. $100 to buy as many fucking combines as you want for only $11 today. All right. So, like I said, just kind of this, see what it kind of all lines up nicely. So the hourly chart, we got a fair value gap, kind of this area here. This is that high from Thursday there. I would love to see that kind of get tested. Get a pullback into that high, right? This 450, 46 stuff. Let's say 470s, 470 to 450 level. Test that level here. And then we can start to move up. That's a pretty big move up there Friday on the hourly chart. Really just no decent pullback. So that overnight low 511 right now. We are opening up with a gap to the upside on the QQQ here on the SPY. Kind of what I'm looking at. I would, you know, like to see it. Like to see it. On the setup right now here, we have this 70 area, the overnight kind of high here. And right now pulling back, which is right there, that hourly gap and that fair value gap there as well. FVGs. FVG, baby. So, yeah, right now kind of looking like lower high for now. 8 o'clock, kind of turning that lower high there. And right now pulling back here on the hourly chart. So the best part is all we really need to do is kind of see how this plays out. That 508 level down there, support right now from the overnight, the low. And then, like I said, kind of liking that idea of pulling back here into the 470, 450 area. And if you're just now tuning in, that's because of that daily chart. So now we got the 1 hour kind of lined up here, what we're looking at. Obviously, that 200 level was the low from Friday. That's a pretty big move down there. It's possible. Anything's fucking possible here, but I don't know. It just seems a little overly zealous here. We'll see. So, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, I'm telling you that 50,000 account for $11 is fucking nuts. So, bum 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 bum. Woo. We had this 15-minute chart, had this trend line. We broke the downside. I was looking at this setup here earlier, but it just did not take it. Trying to not trade the pre-market, but it was a pretty nice setup. 15-minute, that breakdown of that trend. We got stuck up there, and look at how nicely this kind of broke down there. On the 3-minute chart, just kind of very clean move down from that high up there at the 60s. And you can see getting stuck up there, pulling back there at 8:30 numbers. I think something must have happened at 8:30, and then market pulling back right now. So I would like to see, like I said, I think we've kind of got to get down here, 510, kind of test that. If we can't hold that 510 level, then we get down there and test that 470, 460 level there next. Would kind of everything. See, there's just a lot going on down here. You got a fair value gap on the daily chart. You got the hourly fair value gap. You got the 15-minute fair value gap. You got the previous resistance there. There's a lot of stuff going on pretty much on that 50 to 70 level down there. So we'll see. Oh, for the Topstep deal, there's a code. It's Veterans11 is the code. Veterans11. You have to go to checkout, put the Veterans11 code in. I apologize. Veterans11 is the code. Veterans11. Stack of bananas, got 5 of them. Okay. We're live. We're doing it. We're here. If you haven't already hit that like button, blow it up. Right now, we are waiting for market to open. The 15-minute chart right here. Got our levels all kind of figured out here already. We got some stuff to think about. Look, see, like, we got a pivot point down there. There's so much going on at that 470 level that I just feel like you got just multiple reasons for this market to move down to that 470 level. Just like, there's too many fucking reasons. So maybe it won't go down there. It's just a lot of reasons, to be honest. Like, there's just a lot of shit going on down there. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Am I on the right track here? Patrick Zellini, you bought it yesterday. You got charged 39 instead of 11. Talk to Topstep, my friend. What can I do? I can't help you. I'd help you, but I can't help. I mean, what am I going to do about that? I'm not Topstep's customer service people. Come on. It's $11, not $11 off. It's $11 to sign up for the first month of the Topstep Combine. Little note, runny nose this morning. Long weekend, a lot of action this weekend. My friends. We went hard in the paint. Fish fillets. All right, we're doing a giveaway today on Instagram, by the way. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing. Get on over there, hit the like button, hit the follow. I'll pick a winner, $100 for a lucky winner today. You could buy, what, 9 combines. You could buy 9 $50,000 combines and fucking blow them all up if you want. I don't really care. It's $100. Or you don't buy, take $100 and go out and buy a steak dinner. It's on me, baby. So link in the chat for my Instagram. Hit that Instagram love. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and let's get ready for market open. We still got 20 minutes here. Which platform? I'm using the using Quant Tower right now for my platform. Rather buy Wagyu from Costco. Yeah, but then you got to make it. I like to go out and spend $300 on Wagyu because I don't want to make it. I don't even own pots and pans. I literally do not even have a pot or a pan in my house. That's right. The #1 day trader on YouTube does not cook. No, sir. All right. So like we said, we got a couple setups here. This hourly chart, we put in that lower high, right? So that's clear that we put in a lower high right there on the hourly chart. This 511, 570 area, I'm thinking that we want to see kind of like down into here. That doesn't mean I think we're going to go all the way down, but I do think we got to give some up. That's my thought process here. Whew. Yo, Pat, what's the difference between an express account and live account? So the live account, you're trading live money in the real markets. The express account, you're trading through, basically through Topstep, through simulator, but you still get paid out. So the combine, you don't get paid out. The express funded account, you go right into the express funded account and you can take payouts. So people always like, what's the difference? I'm like, I mean, at the end of the day, you get paid either way. So I don't really care. I would rather be in the express funded account. It's easier fills, better, easier fills, faster fills, easier fills. Do I really care where the money comes from? I don't really care. If I get paid, I get paid. All right. So right now, Looking for this kind of setup at open. Pretty clear where our levels are today. We had that move up at overnight. See if we kind of where we're at on that move up. Kind of at that point now. Either we're going to bounce here, kind of save this bounce, or I think we sell down and kind of move down here into the 70s. I mean, there's literally, it's funny because everything is now the fib has the retracement all the way down there. 72 for the 168. There's a fair value gap. There's previous resistance. I mean, there's just so much stuff going on there. The hourly, the 15, the daily chart. So you can have up to 3. You can have 3 express funded accounts at one time. And like I said, today is the last day for the Topstep 50K $11 for the first month deal. You got to use the code VETERANS11. VETERANS11. How do you get the Topstep X platform? The Topstep X platform is coming soon. Coming soon. They're still updating it and making it better every day. So the credit downgrade, I don't like. I think it's all bullshit. That whole credit downgrade, like what's gonna happen? What are they gonna do? Like hey, China's gonna call America, hey, you owe us $1 trillion. You need to pay us. Like, I mean, it's just like, what are they gonna do? It's all a joke. I mean, like, who's gonna come to collect? Who's gonna be the fucking, who's gonna foreclose on America? Nobody. Nobody. Can I have the same trades on my tree funded accounts? Tree, yes. Free ones, maybe. Can you remove all practice accounts? I think you can. You just got to message Topstep, maybe. It's actually close to 1.7 trillion. Again, it don't matter. It's all a joke. Like I said, like who's gonna collect on that? How are they gonna collect? What are they gonna do? Show up to the White House and be like, hey, we're foreclosing. We are foreclosing on the White House. All right? The White House has been foreclosed on. Ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna fucking happen, boys. You know? This ain't gonna happen. Just being realistic here. Embargo. No fucking way. It ain't like nobody's coming to collect. We're not gonna. There's no embargo. The rest of the world depends on America basically printing more money. Like China basically needs America to keep buying shit so they can survive, and then it's all fucked. It's all just one big fucking joke. Do I look at the VIX? Not really. I never look at the VIX. I mean, if the VIX is going up or down, it's going to go up or down based, if the market's going down, the VIX goes up. If the market, it's pretty correlated, so. I feel like the dollar, I look at the DXY more than the VIX just because I feel like right now the dollar is in an uptrend, kind of pushing up here since about 7 o'clock, kind of broke out from the overnight high on the dollar, kind of chopping right now. Do I expect chop today, or am I looking for buys or shorts? I expect nothing, to be honest. I just am waiting. I really don't need to expect anything. All I need to do is just wait and be ready for everything, every option here. I want to avoid the chop, obviously. That would be my #1 goal. Right now, the 15-minute chart, you can see we had this nice little trend overnight. We broke to the downside there, so we'll see how she goes. Broke to the downside. Oh. Ugh. And runny nose. I woke up this morning, my runny nose. I know sometimes I just get allergies and no matter what I do, my nose just like runs all day. And don't be like, it's because you're doing coke. Yeah, no, I am not. So relax. I also thought it was really funny the other night. I posted a picture on Twitter about. I posted a picture like I'm on a date. I'm gonna tell her that I'm the #1 day trader on YouTube. You know, when I say that kind of stuff, like, oh, like I'm gonna tell that person I'm the #1 day trader. Like it's a joke, people, but people take it so literally. Like I was at the Magic game, and Serena Williams' husband is sitting there by me, and I took a photo, and I was like, should I tell him that I'm the #1 day trader on YouTube? And I was like, what? He's not gonna care. Don't do. You're an idiot. I'm like, I'm joking, people. Like I'm fucking. It's a joke. Like why do people get so worked up? It's insane. People like you guys gotta relax. You gotta have a little bit of, you know, like a little bit of joy in your life. Fucking miserable people on the internet. It's crazy. People are so fucking miserable. You can't do. Like God, they're just sitting there on Twitter, just oh Patrick, you're not the #1 day trader. You're not the #1. Okay, relax. Fucking A, man. Just have a laugh sometimes, people. Like I'm joking. It's a joke. I'm having a good time, you know. I'm not gonna tell Serena Williams' husband that I'm the #1 day trader on YouTube. It's a fucking joke. Fucking so funny. People get so worked up. And then the people are like, I posted about the going on a date, and people are like, oh, I bet it's a he. I bet he's in the bathroom. I'm like, what are we in 5th grade? Like you're making gay jokes, like, yeah, Patrick's on a date with a guy. Ha, yeah, I got him. Like, wow, you got me. You really got me good there. That's that. We're back to 5th grade again. I remember when I was in 5th grade, and you're like, oh, he's gonna, you know, he likes him, huh? You know, like, okay, we get it, bro. We get people got to upgrade their comedy. I'm pretty fucking funny, but most people are fucking not funny. Like that's this terrible reply. Patrick does coke on live stream. He's doing coke right now. I can see it. He's high on coke. Relax, people. It's a joke. This whole thing is a joke. Life's a joke. It's not real. We're all just here having a good time. Right now, the NASDAQ. We're waiting for the market to open up here. We're going sideways. A little bit of a bear flag right here on the 3-minute chart. I'd say it's looking good for this move down. I'm looking for this move down here today. I'm not looking for like a big red day, but I'm looking for a pullback and then maybe a bounce. I'm kind of thinking if we get through 500, we get down here to the 60s and then we bounce back up. You know, and I'll explain why. Let's start out very easily. Let's start out at this. We'll start at the daily chart, right? On the daily chart, we got this fair value gap on the daily chart there at the 80s. We've got the breakout level, you know, that bull flag. We basically, that 50% of that huge candle there on Friday, right? So we have our levels. We got our breakout zone. We got through the high, the 468s there, right? Okay, we got that figured out. We know that level, 468. 468, 450 level is an area that I'm, you know, interested in here. Okay, so we see our daily chart set up. I'm breaking this down. So y'all be like, Patrick, you never tell us what's going to happen. You never tell us. Okay, I'm telling you. So just fucking listen for a minute, okay? Now, we're going to our hourly chart. Look at the hourly chart here. Look at this. I mean, the way I look at this is we put in a lower high there on the hourly chart right now. So we know right now there's no reason to get long until we have something, you know, important happen. I'm not going to just be like, oh, we're instantly going to go through there at that level right now. So we're being patient. Let's be patient. Kind of looking like a bear flag here. As long as we stay below kind of this I'd say like 450, 445 area, we would look for a move down here. So hourly chart, again, we've got that fair value gap there at the 76s. We've got that high from, you know, Thursday. We've got this breakout level there from Friday. We already knew that. That was the monthly high. I'd like to get a retest of that, right? Okay, hourly chart. I like it. We're agreeing here. You know, we got the breakdown there. Go to the 15-minute chart here. Same thing. We got more fair value gaps down here. I like to get tested. We got that previous month high, 468. It's all down there. This is just, you know, this is what it's looking like. It's, you know, we broke the downtrend. We broke the uptrend there on the 15-minute chart. We sold down. We're here at this level now. We're kind of bouncing it for now, this 20 level, 25 level, but I think there's a good reason to believe that we will kind of move down from there. Unless the market just does exactly the opposite of this whole entire plan, which just seems like too good to be true. I mean, that's a pretty if you're going to take a picture of something and put it on the wall, I mean, that's a fucking bear flag if I've ever seen one. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, we'll get 500 likes here. We'll do the poll. Let's do the poll. Gonna do the poll. Let's see what the chat thinks. You guys know what I'm thinking. I might be, you know, I could be wrong, but a lot of times I'm right. So we'll find out. Up or down at open. I mean, the ES is very similar to the NASDAQ right now, selling down as well. Dollars kind of pushing up here. Yeah. Yeah, I think, you know, as long as we kind of stay below this 50 level, don't want candles closing below 50, then we should kind of roll off here, test that 500. If we break through 500, there's really no reason to stop. Well, I guess there is this little fair value gap on the 15-minute chart right there at the 500. So if we break through this 500 level strong, well, then I think we get down here to the 60s or so. So we do have a little bit of a gap to the upside. Well, actually got like a $2 gap, $1 gap there on the QQQ right now. I don't know. You know, hey, I try to not predict. I don't want to really have a bias here, but that's kind of, I mean, it's just, if I'm looking at levels, I mean, those are levels. Those, you know, that's the only way to look at it right now. So, Pat, how do you monitor the dollar? All right, everybody, listen. I'm only going to say this once today. I'm going to try to be nice about it. Only going to say this fucking once. Don't ask this fucking question again. Very simply, guys, on TradingView, I use the DXY, the dollar index. Go on TradingView, type in DXY. It'll pull up the US dollar currency index. DXY. Everybody get that? Everyone got it? All right. Thank you. Whew. I'm trying to be, you know, I'm trying to be nice. It's Monday. Let's start out on a good note, but like every day, the same fucking question. And I've literally seen the same people ask the same fucking questions before. I'm like, I swear to God, you asked the same question yesterday. All right, right now, the poll, 63% up, 36% down. Wait, 63% say we're going to go down. 36% say we're going to go up. We got 651 votes. We got 500 likes here. Okay. All right. 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 So 15-minute chart. I mean, like I said, it's fucking looking a lot like a bear flag. I wouldn't mind kind of push back up maybe here and then dump down. It'd be nice, but what do I know? If we get this strong move down, I really think we'll see 470, 480. So we'll see. Right now, going into open, we've got 4 minutes, my friends. 4 minutes to party. Party, party. Yeah, this 50 level looks nice. Get a little quick rip to the 50s and then dump it down. Or we just sell right through. 2 ways to look at it, you know, just 2 ways. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. Welcome to the #1 day trade channel on YouTube. Whee! I want to be like ICT and be like, hey, everybody, what do you guys see? Look at the chart. What do you see? Okay. What do you see right now? If you're looking at the chart, what do you see? Hey, everybody, what do you see? Okay, but now I want you to look at it and I want you to journal it. All right, I want you to put it in your journal. Write in your journal, what do you see right now? Okay? And then in a couple hours, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna be like, see, I told you. I told you exactly what you saw. I told you, you know? I told you. You thought I was fucking being cryptic, but I told you. I said, look. We just look at it. Just look at it, would you? I'm kind of worried. So I upped, by the way, the bet with ICT. We're at $250,000 now. 250. I told him, step it up. $250,000 bet that ICT will not win the Robins Cup. And it's honestly like, it's fucking getting comical now, because literally on his spaces, on his 6-hour fucking incoherent space that he had on Saturday, at the end of it, he's like, guys, I warned you 18 months ago. I warned you 18 months ago that the world is going to change forever, that you should prepare for the end of the world. And I'm like, wait, if the world ends in 2024, do I still win the bet? If the world ends and ICT does not win the Robins Cup, do I still win the bet? I think I fucking still win it, right? Right, like I still win it. I'm pretty sure. Like, I'm still going to win that, right? I think. I want to get paid on my bet. That's all I'm worried about. It's kind of like The Big Short, you know, in The Big Short when the guy's like, are you going to be able to pay me when the banks fail? And they're like, what are you talking about? We're fucking JP Morgan. I'm like, no, but can you pay me? So if the world ends, ICT better fucking pay me, okay? I still want my 250. Even if the world's on fire, I'm going to be like, I'm here to collect 250, bro. Give it to me. Oh, God. All right, here we go. We got 20 seconds. The market's about to open. If you haven't already hit that like button, call your grandma, tell your uncle, tell your niece, your mom, tell everybody. We're live on YouTube. We're doing it. All right. Looking for a short here at open. Patience, my friends. Patience. Patience. If we sell through this level here, look for this move down. The ES, little push up here. A little bit of chop right now here at the 30s. Chopping here at the 30s for now. I like to see a little trap. We need some trappage. ES is pushing back up right now. NASDAQ should try to push up here. A little trappy. I wanted this. I wanted to like break this high here and kind of tap this 40, 50 level first before going lower. What I want to see. I want to see a push up and then get denied. I don't want this thing. I don't want a short here. You know what I mean? I just don't. I'm not gonna fucking short right here. I want something to. I want this pushy. And even then, I'm not gonna short until it like. I want to see it push up, denied, and then get short. Still kind of trapping here. Being patient. The dollar is selling off right now. We got all the time in the world, my friends. There is no rush. Fuck. My headphones are dead. Well. All right. NASDAQ still going lower here. Did not want to give us that nice little pop up there, did it? Be patient. Little push back up here. I like it. Give me a little pushy back. Pushy back up. Push it. Push it real good. All right. We like it. Nice little squeezy. Little trap. They trapping those shorts down there for now. And see what happens here. We need to get that like kind of, I would like that 45 to 50 level would be nice, right? You know the market loves doing this shit. Getting everyone all suckered into a short down here at the lows and then squeezing them right out. You know, it loves doing that shit. The market just loves that kind of bullshit here. Everybody's like, I'm getting short. We broke the low. And then look, beep, beep, squeezy, squeezies. Come on, trap more, trap more. I don't want to. One more little trappy. 45. Give me that 45, squeezy. The ES pulling back here now. NASDAQ. Want to get like a little trappy trap up here. Push up. There we go. Okay. I like it. Pushy pushies. This is looking better now. Get this trap. Trap it. Trap it. Got the high, this candle right there, 39. Be nice to kind of pop through that really quickly. The ES is selling straight down. NASDAQ stuck there. You could take this short. I'm going to take this short right here. Stop above 40 for now. See if we can get this move down. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, buddy. Down there to the 15s. I want it to low. Need to run this low right there through the 15s. Beautiful. Give me it all the way through the 15s here. No reason to cover yet. I'm going to buy one contract there, take off some little bit of profits down here at the lows, just because I don't want this thing popping back up on me. And then we'll leave a runner. We got one runner going. What a beautiful short there, my friends. What a beautiful short. All right, so I got my stop at break even. I want to see if we can get this to play out just like we thought it would. So I'm going to let this one runner go to see if we can get through that 500 level. I'm going to be a man of my word. You know, I talk the big talk here on YouTube. Patrick Wieland knows what he's doing. Well, let's see if I know what I'm doing. I'm looking for this move through the 500s here. So all right. Everybody always says, leave a runner on. Well, okay. I'm going to do it today. Around the world. Na, 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 na. Oh, man. If this thing breaks through 500s, oof, I'm turning the stream off. I'm just going to walk away. Down there to the 10s. We got 08s to get through there next. That was our first level to break through. We talked about that level to break through there. I'm looking for the 500 break. I'm still short, baby. Like I said, I was looking for the trap up here. We didn't get through the 40s, but then we got right back down. So I'm like, let's go. Daddy likeys. Patrick Wieland in the money. The man, the myth, the legend. Let me get 30 fucking points or more out of this thing. Come on. Don't do it. Let's get right through that level. Kind of basing here for now. That was that level, that first target there. We still got a runner looking for that 70 level there next. So I'm cool. I'm chilling. Easy peasy mac and cheesy, baby. What a beautiful read on that, though. I just really want to congratulate myself for having a beautiful read on that trap this morning. Right? Come on, Patrick Wieland. You know, you gotta admit, it's impressive. When I say I'm the #1 day trader on YouTube, I walk to talk, I talk to talk, all right? I do this shit every day live on YouTube. So if you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, do it. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. It goes around the world. Na 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 na. All right, we're looking for this break through the 500s. We're right now consolidating there. The dollar is going straight up. I need this 500 break. Get down there to the 70s. Buddy, buddy, buddy. It's looking really goody good. Goody good, good, good. Goody good, 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 good. Na 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 na. How can you not just love this shit, guys? It's fucking too easy. Through the 500s now. Let's go. We had this whole entire plan before the market even opened, people. Before the market even opened, had it all planned out. But Patrick never tells me what to do. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Down there through the 500s now. The Red Bull is real. All right, so we're breaking through this 15-minute chart. I'm still just holding that runner. I want to see this 70 level down there. I'm being greedy today. I'm sticking to the plan. We had our plan all laid out. I talked about this for 30 minutes. I'm like, guys, I'm looking for this breakdown here. I'm looking for it. Look at this. The bear flag played out perfectly. We had a little bit of a pop up. We sold down there. Come on. Put your hands in the air like you just don't fucking care, people. It's too easy sometimes. Too fucking easy. That was on the hourly chart. Everything perfectly here. Perfectly played out. Perfectly. But Patrick. Yes, Patrick. Thank you. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. When everyone's around you, everyone's around you. Say my name. Say my name. It's all good. Look at this. Oh my God. Can it go all the way? Say my name. Say my name. When no one is around you, baby, I love you. Oh, say my name. Say my name. When everyone is around you. Like, what are the haters gonna say right now? What are they gonna say? Where are they gonna come? What are they gonna say? Patrick. 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 When no one is around you, I love you. Say my name. There's nobody doing it like this on YouTube, by the way. I'm just going to put that out there. Nobody. You guys know that, right? No one's doing it like this. I'm still short, so I'm just looking for my target down there. I'm chilling right now. We got to play with these levels. I talk a big game. I'm going to fucking play a big game, boys. We took a little bit of profit at our first target, and we're still fucking shorting it. All right? Don't give a fuck. Don't give a fuck. Fall if you fuck. Fall if you fuck. Fall if you fuck. Duck if you fuck. Oh, man. Whew. I know it's nuck if you. I'm trying to not get demonetized. Nuck if you buck. Nuck if you fuck. Buck if you duck. Duck if you buck. Buck if you duck. Duck. Oh, baby. All right, we are currently up 40 points here from the 30s. Like we said, we were looking for that short for this pop at open. If you didn't have this planned out, I mean, guys, I spent 30 minutes planning this out. Planning this out for 30 minutes for you guys. We're doing this fucking shit free on YouTube every day. We're still just looking. So I'm still holding a runner here. I don't really, it's pretty chill. Like I said, I want to see that move down there to the 70s. My target, my last, maybe not last and final, but my target down there at the 70s. What I told you guys this morning, so I'm sticking to the plan. I'm with you. I'm in it. We're living here, short from the 30s. Oh, baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Oh, baby, love you. And I love you. Good times. Good time. Good timing. Say my name, say my name. Dollars pushing up here. The NASDAQ, the ES sitting at the lows right now. I think we got to go through there. We got to go through there. I don't see any reason. There's just, I don't like, yeah. I don't think we're going to stop here. There's more to come. More downside to come. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, bum, bum. 15-minute chart. Yeah, just nah, we're going 70s. 70s. Even, I mean, there's fucking 60s down there. It's happening. It's happening. Baby, ooh, child, I love you. Just sitting back here. We are waiting for our target to get hit down there at the 70s right now. So I got no problems. No problem holding on the way down. Futures trading is gambling. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, guys. Somebody in the chat said that futures trading is gambling. Oh no, what are we gonna do? I quit. Guys, I'm stopping this. I'm turning it off. I will no longer trade anymore. I quit. I have now quit trading. Somebody in the chat said that we're gambling, and I am not gonna gamble. I am not gonna do it. Okay? I'm done. I now retire. I'm gonna go read the Bible and see you guys later. Just never gonna, I will not do this. I will not gamble anymore. God. Idiots. Hey, if we're gambling, I'm the best motherfucking gambler on the goddamn planet. Okay, think about that. I'm the luckiest son of bitch. I'm the luckiest son of a gun the world has ever seen, because I'm so goddamn lucky. It's crazy. I never seen somebody so fucking lucky. You can't get as, I mean, I am literally the luckiest son of a bitch on this planet. Think about that. That's how lucky I am. I'm that fucking lucky. I am seriously the luckiest person alive. I'm so fucking lucky. Armin, you lost 21,000 last week. Did I? What? Armin's got a direct feed to my bank account. I'm losing all. I lost everything, guys. It's over. It's just, I won't be able to survive anymore. Yeah. Where do these people come from? Where do y'all come from? Like, what do you do? Like, what do you do? Where do you come from? These people in the chat. Where do they, like, where do you, like, live at? Where do you come, like, what do you do in the morning? You wake up and you're like, today's the day. I'm going to go on YouTube and I'm going to tell Pat Wieland that I know that he's a scam, and I'm going to tell him. I'm going to tell him that trading's gambling. Yes, sir. It's Monday morning. I'm going to tell him. He better get ready because I'm going and telling him live on YouTube. And I'm telling everybody that gambling, that he's a gambler. Patrick Wieland's a gambler. He only gambles. He's the biggest, he's a gambler. There we go, down there in the 80s. He's a gambling. Oh, God, he's a gambler. Oh, God, goalie. What the fuck? I just like, what do you do? Like, what do y'all do? Like, what do you do with your life? I just want to know. I want to know how fucking pathetic your life is. That you wake up. That you wake up on a Monday morning and you're like, today, I'm going to go tell Patrick that he's a scammer. He's a gambler. I'm going to tell him. I'm going to fucking tell him. What the fuck? Hey guys, it's all good. You know what I mean? Like I said before, I'm winning. I'm fucking winning. It's like, what does it matter? I'm just sitting here having a good time. I literally wake up in the morning and I just win. It sucks, but I do it. I do it, you know? I don't mean to do it, but I just do it. It's hard. Who's my favorite NBA team? I mean, I got to go with the Orlando Magic. I'm from Orlando. They've been playing pretty good. So right now, look at this. I mean, guys, at this point, if you shorted the plan, very simply, the plan this morning, if you were gambling this morning and you took the short, you know what? Like we said, we were looking for that trap. We were not trying to short this breakdown. If you heard me, I made it very clear. We were not looking to short here. We were looking for that trap above. We got short there at the 30s. And then we rode it all the way down here to the 80s. That's 50 points. That's 50 fucking points of gambling, baby. 50 points. I covered there at 83, by the way, just because I'm a greedy son of a bitch. I'll take it. But I still think there's more room to go. As long as we stay kind of down below this level here, maybe another short opportunity coming. Maybe one more short opportunity. If you were looking for an entry now, what would you look for? Well, great question. I'd like to see a lower high get put in here. Kind of in this level. We kind of push up in here. And then we go, dee! That's what I'm looking for there. Market is being a little bit stubborn here. A little bit of chop, I think. The dollar just couldn't break out there. So if you're watching the dollar, it was also, I was kind of looking at the dollar there. The dollar tried to pop through that kind of triple top here, got stuck. So I think if the dollar can get that move through this level here, the NASDAQ will sell down here. So I'm still bearish. I still think we're going lower. Yeah, I don't think there's any reason to start putting longs on just yet. I mean, we're just like, is this really where we're gonna stop at? I just don't think it's where we're gonna stop. We haven't really touched, you know, the low of that candle right there is 75. I don't know. I just think we've got to kind of get down here in the 70s. In your old videos, you traded the 15-minute chart. How come you stopped that? Huh. Well, let me give you a little secret about trading. You ready? I'm going to give you a little secret, Thomas, about trading. It's called having multiple screens. So I have 4 monitors, and I have multiple charts pulled up. I know, it does seem amazing that I can look at multiple charts at one time. I know. You know, I even impress myself sometimes with that ability. But that's what I have. Yeah, so I have multiple charts. Thanks for the question, though. Yes, I covered the short on the NASDAQ down there. Bounced off that 80s. I still think she wants to go lower here, but I wouldn't be mad. Maybe get another reload. Need that dollar to do something. Both the ES and the NASDAQ, again, back down there. Oof. Be a little worried about this. Push up to the 500s, got denied, and right back down to the lows. Like I said, just did not think we were going to magically just stop at that 80 level for nothing. I think we got to kind of run down here into the 70s. So I've got 2-inch monitors. They're really small. I keep my charts real small. You don't want them to be too big, because then you got to look at them with your eyes. Like, everything's very small. Just tiny little monitors. Just a bunch of iPhones. I put my iPhone up on the thing. Oh yeah, looks good. Looks real good. 7 iWatches. I got the iPod. The first iPod colors. Using those for charts. I don't like this action right here. Dollar pulling back. NASDAQ ES gonna be. I think we're gonna chop here. I'd be worried about it chopping around here for now. 70s, into the 70s. The #1 trader on YouTube. Gambling. I'm telling you, I'm the luckiest son of a bitch on the planet. Ain't nobody this fucking lucky. Ain't nobody this fucking lucky. Oof. Down there to the 70s. Target acquired. Target acquired. There you go. The third target. Tap, tap, tappy. Second target, sorry there. Down there in the 70s now. We had this whole entire thing planned out before the market even opened. Now through the 65s. Woo! What an amazing time to be alive, my friends. The best part is we're doing this all live on YouTube. This is not me, you know, after the fucking fact, you know, calling this out to you guys, you know, reading the charts fucking at the end of the day and being like, well, hey, so if you see here the market, we had this all planned out before the market even fucking opened. Literally, come on. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. All right, now I'm interested to see what happens here. This is kind of what we were thinking, maybe possible reversal level earlier today. Remember, we had all that stuff going on, the daily chart, the hourly chart, the 15-minute chart, everything was kind of looking like possibly pulling back into this level and testing that level. And there it is, 75 on the fucking dot. Look at that. Look, would you just look at it? Just look at it. Look at it. It's a thing of beauty. Fucking love it. I fucking love it. This is what I love right here, doing this shit. People ask me why I do this. I fucking love it. I fucking love this shit. You think about that. Like, I fucking love this. I wake up in the morning and I fucking know that there's more people out there just fucking wanting and hoping and praying that I'm going to lose, that I'm going to fail, that I'm going to give up, that I'm going to quit. And then every day I just keep on showing up and I keep doing the same shit and I keep on winning and they keep coming back and going, how does he do it? They just can't get it. They can't understand it. They're like, how does he keep on winning? He's a gambler. He doesn't love God. He doesn't know what to do. How does he win when he doesn't do what he's supposed to do? Well, that's what I love, baby. I do this shit because I love it. It's not even about the money. It's not about the fame. It's a little bit about those. But it's not about those things. It's about doing it. Winning. It's one thing to talk about it. It's one thing to talk about journaling and being a fucking, oh, this is how you become a profitable day trader. You know, a lot of fucking people will tell you how to do it. They'll talk about it. They'll tell you, oh, if you want to make money trading, you got to do this. You got to follow this plan. You got to have this and do this. I'm the only person out there doing it live, showing you while it's happening. While it's happening. It's real. This is real, people. We're real. Oh, I'm pumped up right now. It's Monday. How can you not be fucking excited? And look at that reversal. Oh! Come on. You know, come on. Did it just reverse? Did it literally just reverse there? Is this it? Is this the bottom? I'll fucking die if this is the bottom today. I'll fucking die. You guys, you don't want it. If this is the bottom, my ego is never gonna fucking come down today. So you guys better hope and pray that it's not the bottom. All right. Ollie Reed, I short your long. What the fuck does that mean? What the fuck's he talking about? The fuck you talking about? I short your long. What does that even mean? The fuck you talking about? The fuck are you talking about? I short your long. Fuck, who the fuck are you? The fuck? All we've been doing is shorting all morning, you dumb fuck. What are you talking about? I short your long. God. Literally. Fucking idiot. I'm short. Hey everybody, I'm short. The fuck? I can't. It's like, it's just comedy, guys. It's just fucking, just gotta die. You just gotta laugh. Like, it's all just fucking hilarious at this point. These fucking idiots. I short your long. Okay, cool. Congratulations. You win. How are you so good? You short my long. Yeah, you're so good at this trading stuff. You're the best. How did you get so good at this? I short your long. Okay, cool. Congratulations. Congrats. Oh, man. I just love it. Kind of laugh about it. Laugh. Like, I just like to laugh about it, you know? I short your long. Ooh, okay. All right, we got this fair value gap up here, 512 area in the 15-minute chart. Dollar's pulling back here. We bounced off a key level. Is this going to be the bottom today? We'll find out. What I need to see for long, I would basically need to get back above 500 for the longs to get activated. You know, kind of need that 500 level to get activated here. For the longy dongies. Dollar selling off here. The NASDAQ, the ES, both bouncing off this key level for now. Just being patient. Patience is always, it's much easier to be patient, you know? It's so much easier just to be patient. We had the exact plan. We had it all laid out. We had it all, you know, had it perfect. So all we need to do now is just sit back and wait till the next perfect read. You know, we tell the market what to do. We tell the market what we're going to do. And then it happens, and then we take the trade. Right now, I like to see this push back up a little bit. Does that mean it's going to go all the way to the moon? No, but I do just want to see a little bit of push back up. You know? Just a little bit. You look here, like on the 1 minute chart, we are kind of putting in that low. We need to kind of break through this, kind of push back up here. I'm thinking like 510 level would be a nice little push back up for a little, maybe if we get stuck up there and then sell down some more, need to kind of reload. The shorts need to reload. Dollar's pulling back here. The ES, the NASDAQ, both pushing up here. So it's like you got to think, do the shorts want to short at the bottom or do the shorts want to short at the fucking top? They don't want to short at the bottom, boys. That's not how you make money. You don't make money shorting at the fucking bottom. You just, it's not easy. It's, trust me, I've tried. It's fucking very difficult. Very fucking difficult to make money if you short at the bottom. You know, you can do it. It happens sometimes, but in general, very fucking difficult. Very fucking difficult. I short your long. The market loves it. You just, the fucking chat never fails. I short your long. The fuck out of here. I short your long. You call shorting at that point difficult, but technically there's nothing to be done. What does that mean? And push right back up there to the 500 level. Hey, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I'm the best trader on YouTube. I'm going to show you why I'm the best trader on YouTube. I'm going to show you. And then I'm going to tell you after I show you. All right? If this is the low of the day, I will. My head's going to fucking explode. Pretty funny. If this, like this right here, guys, if the whole point of this, right? Like, let's, like, no bullshit, like just straight up. The whole point of this is if you see me do this shit, right? And I do it, and I didn't go to college. I'm not a fucking genius. I mean, I'm kind of smart, but I'm not a fucking genius. Like, I'm not good at math. You know, I got no advantage to this over anyone else other than being very good looking, but I don't think that really helps my trading. But at the end of the day, like, it's doable, right? Like, this shit is doable. If you show up, you put in the work, you have a plan. I mean, I laid this, we had this whole thing fucking laid out. You know, I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, I told you so, but I want you guys to see, like, hey, it's doable. You can do this shit if you put in the fucking work, you put in the effort. If you sit around and you cry and you complain, and you're like, my life sucks. I hate my life. You know, my life, and you just bitch and complain, like, that's all you're going to get. Right? If it's the only thing that you're putting out into the world is you're bitching and you're complaining, well, guess what? The only thing you're going to get in fucking return is bitching and complaining back. You got to make a very simple choice. Do I want to be profitable? Do I want to fucking have a strat? Like, you've got to make that choice for yourself. I can't do it for you. I can show you what I do, but it ain't going to fucking make you profitable. I can be like, hey guys, I'm short and you're still going to lose money. Right? I can hold your hand. I can fucking touch the button for you. But it ain't gonna help you in the long run. You've got to put in the time. You got to put in the effort. There's a lot of people in the fucking chat. I'll say this right now. Like, there's guys in the chat that are killing it every day. Not because of me, but because they fucking show up. They put in the work. They put in the effort. You know, like the real fucking, these are people. Not YouTubers, not fucking influencers. Look at this. Through the 500s. Not a fucking coincidence. Come on. Come on, guys. Like, don't tell me that you can't do this shit. You know what I mean? Like, don't fucking tell me that you can't. I can't do it. Patrick, help me. I can't fucking. No. I ain't gonna help you. I'm gonna fucking show you how I do it, and you're gonna see. You're gonna see what it's like to be a winner. All right, all right. Boom. Where do we just go to? Where did we just go to? The high on that candle, 508, 510 on the fucking dot. Well, not 510. 508 on the dot. Not a fucking coincidence. That's 2 perfect moves today that we called out. Literally on the fucking dot today. You know? Don't tell me, oh, I can't do this, Patrick. Just can't figure it out. It's too hard. It's gambling. It's not gambling when you fucking know what's going to happen before it fucking happens. And the best part is, you don't need some crazy fucking ICT bullshit fucking, you don't need any of that. All we literally did this morning is we looked at the daily chart, right? We looked at the daily chart. We saw where the levels were. We're like, okay, here's our setup for the day. Guess what? Let's go to the fucking hourly chart. Let's look at the hourly chart. Oh my God. What are we going to do? What are we going to do today? It's not fucking rocket science. Everything played out perfectly. This ain't in fucking hindsight. I'm not sitting here calling this after the fucking market closes. We called out every single thing that happened as it was happening live on YouTube today. So I don't care what anyone fucking says. You know? Let's go. You can do it. It's not fucking rocket science. Just be patient. Like I said, don't short at the fucking bottom. If we had a target, think about it like this. If our target for a short is down here at this level and we hit that level, well, guess what? There's probably a pretty good chance we're going to push back up, right? There's probably a pretty good chance we're going to push back up off that fucking level if that's our fucking target in the first place. Ugh. It's actually pretty simple if you can just avoid doing stupid shit. I agree with you, Jay. The hardest part of trading is avoiding the stupid shit. And guess what? I raise my hand. I am the king of doing stupid shit. I still do stupid shit today. Like 100%. Patrick Wieland does stupid shit. I'm not perfect. Back in the day when I first started trading, guess what I would have done? What would I have done? I'd been like here on the 1 minute chart and I would have been like, okay, we're going lower. And I would have fucking shorted right here at 75. You know what I mean? Like that's what I would have done. You know, fucking 3 years ago, Patrick Wieland would have fucking shorted 75, been like, well, guess what, guys? it went below 80. I'm going to get short here. And then I'd be sitting here like, fuck, it's going back up. What do I do? You know, like, I'll admit that all day. I got no problem admitting that, you know? I still do stupid shit. But like, it's so funny because I know people that would be sitting here and they're like, okay, you know, I'm gonna short here at the 80s with my stop right here at the 500s. Like, I mean, come on, guys in the chat, like raise your hand. I know people, this is how you guys have done this shit. I know it. You know what I mean? Like, I know you guys have done this shit where you shorted right here at the fucking 80s and you put your stop at 500. It pushes back up, it stops you out, and then it goes lower. I mean, it's fucking, everyone's done that shit. And it's like so funny because it's literally just fucking, it does that shit all the time. We see it in the chat. Like the people in the chat are like, I'm getting short. I'm getting short. Stop at the 90s. You know? Hey, I've been there, you know? I didn't fucking invent the algorithm. I'm not fucking Jesus. Like I'm just an idiot on the internet. And whenever I talk about I make videos and all that, it's all from experience. You know, I've been there. I was a losing trader for a long time. I just fucking had no idea what I was doing. I still have no idea what I'm doing. But in general, I stopped doing some of the stupid shit. That's for sure. Like I really, you know, in the last 2 years, I've tried to avoid the stupid shit at least. No more shorting at the bottom, putting my fucking stop here, getting stopped out, and then watch the market go lower. You know, that's like rule number 1. Don't short the fucking bottom. So, and like I said before, the biggest problem with the internet nowadays is everybody's a fucking expert. All these people on YouTube, everybody's a fucking expert. Everyone's got a fucking theory. They've got some shit to fucking tell you and be like, you got to journal. You know, if you want to be a profitable day trader, you got to journal more. You got to do this more. You got to read more books. Like, I've never read any books. I don't journal. Maybe my videos, maybe my YouTube is a journal, whatever. Call it what you want. But I don't fucking write in a journal. Like, today, I write in my journal. Today, I shorted at the bottom and I got stopped out. And then the market went lower. I'm an idiot. Like, that would be my journal entry. Today, I bought at the exact top and the market went down. I'm an idiot. Thank you. You know, like, I don't know. It's just, I think a lot of people out there, there's a lot, think about it like this. Anyone who wants to talk shit about Patrick Wieland, ask them one question. If they're trading in a fucking, if they're trading through Topstep, they're trading through a funded account, they're not, I am the only YouTuber, like legitimate YouTuber that is in a live account with Topstep. So what does that say? What does that say about all the other YouTubers? I mean, you saw the proof. Topstep validated the proof. They showed you, it was all fucking, it's all real. So it's like, all these other people on YouTube fucking trying to teach you how to day trade. Like, they should teach themselves how to day trade first. And trust me, I've been there. I thought I was a genius. When I first started my YouTube channel, I had no idea what I was fucking doing. I still have no idea what I'm doing, but think about it. LOL, no one uses Topstep. Wow, nobody. I think pretty much every big YouTuber uses Topstep that trades futures. I am not long right now. I'm waiting. Fuck, this, see, it's fucking, it's tricky, man. This is tricky. It's hard to fucking, like, I want to get to a point where I'm like, I'm literally fucking doing these setups. I'm shorting these fucking setups. I'm getting long at my targets, and then I'm riding that. I mean, it's amazing because it's literally doing exactly what we, like, basically talked about it doing. So, fuck. It's amazing. I mean, the low was 65. 60 fucking 5. Fuck. Where's the guy that said he was shorting our long at? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I didn't even ban him. I didn't even ban him. Where'd he go? Tell him to come back. We need him to come back. Cash Ho, bro, what does the line do? Cash Ho, I want you to go watch the video that I posted on Sunday. What does the line do? Well, what happens is I draw the line on the chart and the market reverses wherever I draw the lines at. I have a deal with the NASDAQ. I basically control the price action. I am the line maker. You know how, like, there's people in Vegas that make the line, you know, like on games, like football games? I make the lines on the market. People think that the market's, you know, controlled by an algorithm, but it's actually controlled by my lines. So, putting that out there. Dollar pushing back up here. NASDAQ back to the 500s here. We push right back up that 15-minute chart into this fair value gap from earlier up to the 20s. Nice little push right back up in there. Little trap up there for now, I think. Could possibly be a nice little short back down here. Let's see. Trying to be patient. We're still kind of holding here. So I like to see us kind of put in a, you know, kind of a break of this trend here. Patience is key right now. This is time to be patient. It's time to be patient, my friends. We want to be patient because we're going to be paid. You want to get paid, you got to be patient. That's simple. Trading is it's a patient game. a game of patience. Whoever's more patient wins. Think about that. Whoever is more patient is going to win at the end of the day. If you're not patient, you're not going to win. You want to make money, got to be patient. The ES and NASDAQ both pulled back after pushing up there. Let's see, had a nice little squeeze up, little trap. They fucking took out those shorts there at the 500s. Everybody had their stop up there right above 500 and just got fucking squeezed right out of there. You got to love when that shit happens. Because it's like the best is you just know. You're like sitting there and you're smiling like, yeah. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I definitely laugh about it. I'm like, yeah. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? King AMC. I'll help you out. Banned. Oh, man. All right, so now we're kind of holding up here. These longs are still in control for now. Longy dongy. Little bull flaggy here on the 3-minute chart setting up. If we get through this 20 area, I think we run to the 40s up there next. Woo. Still bull flagging. We should go all the way to the 40s here next. The dollar pulling back. The NASDAQ trying to push. Both the ES, the NASDAQ looking squeezy here. I think that 40 area just wants to get touched. 38, 40 area up there for this reversal back up through the 20s there. Both the ES, the NASDAQ trying to push. Trying. Just keep on trying for me. $15-minute chart looking real bullish here. If we can get this just to squeeze straight up there to the 40s, that's going to be a nice boner candle to the upside there. The dollar pulling straight down here. Bum ba bum 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 ba bum 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 bum. Dollars pulling back. The ES and NASDAQ trying to push back up here. The ES looking good for a breakout. The NASDAQ looking for a good breakout here. Can we go through this 25, 26 level? Go up there to the 40s next. Grind them higher. Take out the shorts. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. Just consolidating here for now above this 500 level. Nice little pullback here. This is Getting primed. Just like I want to see some more action here on the book map. Always kind of watching the book map for buyers to start trying to step in there more. Need that dollar to break through the low. That dollar to break through the low. We should go here. Consolidating nicely right now. Basically need to squeeze those shortsy shorts. 25 sitting there, 60 contracts right now. We need a buyer step in there and send this to the moon. To the moon, to the moon, to the moon. Watching these buyers here. I want to see some aggressive buying. Aggressive buying. Not a lot of volume right here. Need more volume. Chris 26E is short, holding the short. All right, all right. Someone's got a short, someone's got to go long. That's how it goes. Welcome to day trading. One goes short, one go long. See who wins. We will find the winner. Pulling back again to that 500 level. The dollar sitting right at the low right now, so let's see what happens with the dollar. Dollar could get this break to the low. We should break back up here. That dollar to sell to get through this choppy zone here. Dollar trying to break to the downside. The ES, the NASDAQ, is up here. We're getting very tight right now. This trend from earlier kind of lining up as well. So. We bounced right off that pivot point down there at the 70s earlier as well. So. Pivot point right here at the VWAP as well. VWAP at the 25. So we push right back up to the VWAP. Got denied for now. Dollar holding on for dear life. A little bit of trouble here for the NASDAQ for now. Dollar just being stubborn right now. If the dollar can just get down, NASDAQ gonna go up. Get down, dollar. Get down. Get down, Lieutenant Dan. Get down. Dollar just popped up there again. ES and NASDAQ trying to hold here on the QQQ right now. Look at this. We're holding right there at the VWAP for now. If we can hold that VWAP there on the QQQ, get through the VWAP on the NASDAQ, in the 40s is in play. But right now, stuck there below the VWAP for now. QQQ, bull flaggy, ES, bull flaggy. Will the bulls be able to take it higher here? 20 for the NASDAQ to go. I got a feeling that we're gonna go higher here. It's feeling squeezy. Got to get through this 20 level, and we get more pushies. More pushes. We got to break this trend line here, 1920s, and then we push straight up there to the 40s. Straight up there to the 40s. 20 break. She's going higher. Come on, 20 break. Go through the 20s, go right to the 30s here. Oh, my baby. Looking pretty. So damn pretty. She wants the 20s to break. Stuck there again, 24, 25s on the book map. A bunch of liquidity sitting there at the 25s. Through the 25s, it's going to be a rocket ship. So that liquidity is going to be our fuel, baby. We need that liquidity to fuel the ship to the moon. It's too easy sometimes. Watch it. Will you just watch it? What did I say? We needed that fuel. Light them up. Light it up, boys. 30. Put 30s. 30s. Come on. Light them up. Rawhide. The ES trying to push to the 15s here. 15, 16 on the ES gets this going. 40s on the NASDAQ. 25s again. Sellers are sitting there. They're being stubborn. The dollar doesn't want to sell down, but we're going to go through the 30s here. Just go ahead and put it on the board. Put it on the board, people. Patrick Wieland on the board. On the board. Through the 30s. We got to go. 30. A bunch of liquidity sitting there right now. They want it. They want it. They're trying. Oh, God. Oh, so close. So close. Oh, God. Dollar just being stubborn right now. The dollar holding us down here, I think. Dollar just can't get down. Expect some more choppy here at the 20s for now. A little bit of a double top there for now on. I see that on the QQQ as well, but if we can just squeeze, got a little bit more to go there through the 30s. She wants it. She wants some more of it. I like it. I love it. I can't get enough. Don't know what to do, but I got some little loving. Oh my God, NASDAQ. Dollar's pulling back. Come on. I hate when this happens. You know it's going to go. You just know that it's going to go, but you're like, why won't it just go already? Why won't it just go? You know it's going to go. You know it's going to go. Look what's happening with the QQQ. Just like we talked about, the VWAP turning into support there. Getting the push up right now. The QQQ's got to get through there. Just, oh. Chop. Jabbly chop. Tanja Trades is long the NASDAQ. Patrick's also long the NASDAQ. Everybody's long the NASDAQ. Yeah. Yeah. We're going through the 30s. I can literally go to the bathroom right now, come back, and we're going to be above the 30s. DK, it's okay. You can be yourself. No need to entertain us all the time. I'm not entertaining. This is me, bro. Talking about this is all real. This dude, I'm just like this all the time. Baby. Mamma mia, mamma mia, mama, can't you take me home, mamma mia? Everybody knows, mamma mia. Put it on the board. Another one for you. Another one. Another one. Another one. Tanya Trey is gonna walk in here and be like, "Hey, everybody, I'm long." Everyone's like, "Oh my God, Tanya, you're a girl. We love you. Can we just talk to you for a little bit? Tanya." Patrick's been here all day fucking calling the trades. Everyone's like, Tanya, you're beautiful. We love you. You're the best. Patrick sucks. Help us. Help us, Tanya. Literally. Fuck. I gotta become a woman. BRB. God. I can literally call out the market all day long, fucking just kill it. And people, Tanya walks in, everyone's like, oh, Patrick, Tanya's so much better than you. She's so much better. Patrick, you suck. Have you seen Tanya trade? Fucking way better than you, Patrick. You gotta step up your game. You're terrible. Patrick Wieland, nah, that guy sucks. Literally. Tanya trades, best trader ever. God. Tanya is an ICT disciple. That's why she whoops you. We don't need to have a trading contest, but no offense to Tanya trades, but I'm gonna win that contest, boys. Enter the Robbins Cup. Enter the Robbins Cup, Patrick. Go the Robbins Cup. Go the Robbins Cup, Patrick. I don't give a fuck about the Robbins Cup. I'm going to make $250,000 when fucking ICT don't win the Robbins Cup. And I'm going to be laughing all the way to the fucking bank because all the idiots going, Patrick, go in the Robbins Cup. Patrick, go in the Robbins Cup. God. Fuck the Robbins. I give zero fucks about the Robbins Cup. Literally. I am not in a position. I took profit there. I'm done for the day. I'm walking away. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. We're up 4,000 plus about 6,000 on the day. So easy. I kind of sized, the best part is I kind of sized down today too. So I didn't really, I was kind of like, okay, Monday, expecting a little bit of range in this action. Kind of played out perfectly. We got our, absolutely, we murdered today. I mean, absolutely murdered it today, boys and girls. Look at that. I honestly am impressed right now that we fucking nailed the bottom. I mean, we absolutely nailed the fucking bottom. We absolutely nailed the bottom today. So if you want to count points from the 30s down there to the 60s, back up to the 30s, I mean, that's like fucking 1, 2, I don't even know how many points that is. It was a lot of points. But I'm happy with that. I got shit to do today. I got to go back to Pompano and get my boat figured out. So I'm going to just fucking walk away and call it a day right then and there, baby. So Tanya's long, she's still holding. That's because that's the first trade of the day that she's taken. So she all for it. I like to be done. I don't have enough patience to sit here and look at it. She lives in New York. What are you gonna do in New York? Think about it. You're like in New York, it's cold, you're like, you're not gonna do anything. I'm like in Florida, I gotta go boating. I got stuff to do, you know? I got stuff to do here, so all right, I'm gonna walk away. We push back up there to a high of 35 now. I mean, it's just one of those days, my friends. I'm pretty happy with that. I feel like we absolutely crushed it. We traded for an hour and a half this morning. We got the perfect move at open, straight down. We didn't get trapped. That's the best part. We didn't get trapped on this stupid candle here. We got short up here at the 30s. We rode it all. I got out of the 80s. It went all the way to the 65s. We got back in here for this pushback up. It's easy peasy, mac and cheesy, squeezy, something like that. This is what happens when you have the plan before the market even opens. It makes trading that much easier. So when stuff like this happens, when it bounces, when all this stuff happens, you're ready for it. You have a plan. All right? You had a plan. We had a plan. The reason that Tanya has her profit target at this level here, 49, is because of this 15-minute fair value gap right there. Help her out. Explain why she has her target there. Instagram winner. Let's pick an Instagram winner. If you haven't commented on my Instagram, we'll pick the winner here live on YouTube. Instagram. Session volume profile. No, just don't even waste your fucking time with volume profile. I see people talking about volume profile in the chat. I mean, don't even waste your fucking time. Literally, don't even waste your fucking time. All right. All you had to do, we laid it all out before the market even opened. We started out the daily chart. We found our levels. We drew the levels. We go to the hourly chart. You don't need any indicators to figure this shit out. Fucking just look at it. I mean, it all played out exactly like we had it all lined out, boys and girls. Not fucking rocket science. Everything did exactly what we thought it would do today. Just based on what? Drawing little yellow lines on the fucking chart. We moved this here by the way, but there it was. We had our lines. We talked about it all before the market opens. No volume profile, no fucking cumulative delta. I'm telling you, it's all bullshit. Don't even listen to me, right? What do I know? I've only been trading for fucking 7 years now. No, I'm an idiot, clearly. Patrick, the volume profile is the best way to trade. Okay, perfect. That's why I don't use it. But Patrick, cumulative delta is the best way to trade. Yeah, that's why I don't use it. Trust me, if the fucking indicators were good, I would use them. If RSI worked, I would use it. If the fucking cumulative delta worked, I would use it. If the fucking, if any of that shit worked, I would use it. But it don't fucking work. It's like, hey, don't fucking make it too hard on yourself. Look at the dollar right now. I don't like this dollar push up. I don't like holding this long on the NASDAQ with that dollar push up. So that's just the way I look at it. Right now, the NASDAQ's pushing up, the dollar's pushing up. I don't like that shit. It might still go, but I would imagine we get some choppy action now on the NASDAQ. So with that breakout, push back up on the dollar, I don't want to be taking longs on the NASDAQ right here. It can go higher, but it's like, why? Why am I going to be taking more longs when we've already crushed it today? We got our trades. If the dollar don't want to work with the NASDAQ, I'm not going to be taking more longs. It's just that simple. So the highs so far, they're 35. The thing is, you can always make money when the market, you can always get lucky, right? You can always fucking take a trade. The market goes that level, sure. But there's gonna be little things, little pieces of information that you need to be able to look at and be like, yeah, I want to skew the odds in my favor. If I can't skew the odds in my favor, then I don't want to take a trade. It's that simple. All we're doing is just skewing the odds, right? Nobody's fucking trading 100% other than me. I'm kidding, by the way. But at the end of the day, you're literally just skewing the odds. You just need to get to a point where the odds are more in your favor than they are in the fucking market's favor. The market's gonna fucking destroy you if you're just if all you're doing is taking 50-50 chances. You're not fucking trading. You're just fucking rolling the dice. So you need to be looking for opportunity to skew the odds. Skew the odds. All right. Think about that. Skew the odds. All right. The giveaway. Sorry. Giveaway time. Instagram. If you can earn $2,000, $5,000, why don't you travel? Damn, Daniel. What a great question. I just spent fucking $200,000 on my boat motors. On the motors for my boat. 200,000. Yeah, like why don't you try? Yeah, that's why I don't travel, because I'm broke because of my fucking boat. I'm going to travel around on my boat. How about that? I'm going to drive to the fucking moon and back in that motherfucker pretty soon. But Patrick, if you're so rich and you make so much money, why don't you travel? Well, because I'm a degenerate and I spent all my money on 3 trucks and fucking 2 houses and 2 fucking boats and fucking boat motors and boat. I got $100,000 worth of fucking fishing poles. I got problems, okay? I've already admitted the problems. I already admitted the problems. I got problems, okay? I got a 36-foot yellowfin. I got problems, people. It's on my YouTube, by the way. If you haven't seen it already. It's beautiful. It's so sexy. It's the sexiest guy. It's the sexiest thing I ever did see. If I had to, if I had to really think about it, look at this boat. Oh, I went out the other morning and caught mahi before the market even opened. Look at that. Oh God, that guy's sexy. Look at that beautiful boat. I got some 400 V10 Mercuries going on the back of that bad boy. I'm getting a wrap on it as well. So getting some work done to it. And look at those poles. Oh God. Custom everything, boys. None of that bullshit. We ain't fucking no cobia, no bullshit. I think there is a mahi here. The mahi before market open. I threw this little guy back. He was too small. He was keepable, but we let him go to grow bigger. Go, little buddy. See, look, I'm a nice person. He swims away, happy. So I'm gonna go work on my boat, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning from Pompano. All right. Look at that thing. Oh my God, it's beautiful. 36 feet of pure fucking magic, boys. That's why I don't travel, because I'm poor. Because I bought a boat. No, I do travel. I used to travel a ton. I traveled all over the world. I lived in Hawaii. I've done all the cool shit. And now I want to fish. So the giveaway. Yes, the giveaway. Let me pick the winner here from Instagram. So. Da. All right, the winner is, I'll send you a message on Instagram, but let's pick the winner. I'm going to close my eyes and just scroll here on the gram. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just scrolling on the gram. Comment, and stop. No, I went all the way to the top. Can't do that. One more time. Oh, fuck. Okay, stop. Dave Johnson, 21112. Dave Johnson, I'll send you a message. Send me your Venmo. I'll send you $100. Yo. Dave Johnson, 21112 or 22112. Congratulations to Dave. Look at that boat. God damn. Look at that thing. Ooh. Are y'all excited? I'm excited. I can't wait to get back on that bad boy. I'm getting it wrapped the same color as my truck. So the sides will be like that blue color. Pretty excited. I think it's going to look sexy. How can one man get so excited seeing himself on a boat? Yeah, I'm a weirdo, okay? Also, like I said, Topstep. Topstep has a deal right now. It's $11. The okay, look at the dollar. Okay. Look at what happened right here. The NASDAQ finally pulling, the dollar finally pulling back there. So now you can see how the NASDAQ is pushing up. So the dollar finally agreeing, and now the NASDAQ up there to the highs, going for that 39 target for my girlfriend, Tanya Trades. We're internet girlfriend, boyfriend. We've never met in real life, but we just exist in the interwebs. The interwebs. Please don't say the Lord's name in vain. Baby Jesus? Is that what we're saying? Baby Jesus. Oh! Where the guy said earlier, he said, I'm gonna short your long. The guy that said he was gonna short our long was down here at the 80s, so I don't think he's making, I'm not sure. If you short at 80 and the market goes to 40, 540, do you make money? You make money? Confused. If I short at the bottom and I cover at the top, that means I lost money, right? Where did he go? Girls trip to Fort Lauderdale. Oh, God. That sounds like trouble. Pat, have you never tried trading 20 Apex accounts? I haven't. I can't. The problem with Apex is their fucking website, man. It's like, it just gives me anxiety. Their website is just like, it's too difficult. It just gives me fucking anxiety, man. I like go to their website and I'm like, why is this so hard? It's so fucking hard. Apex's website is so fucking hard. It's crazy, I swear. It's literally it's just so hard to like sign up for anything. I'm not even trying to be a hater. I'm just like literally the website is just it's so hard. Yes. By the way, Topstep today. It's $11 to sign up for Topstep today. For the 50, it's only got, this is the last day. There's a link there in the chat. You got to go to the code. You can see here, if you go right now, Topstep, the $50,000 account, it's normally $49. It's going to be $11 today and today alone for the first month. So you basically have, you know, the rest of this month to, or a month, you have 30 days to try to get funded in that $11 account. You could buy multiple accounts, not have to reset, blah, 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 however you want to do it. I'm not telling you to do it either way, but it's $11. This is the best deal you're ever going to get. I've never seen a deal this good, honestly. Like, and I'm not just like tooting my own horn here, but I'll be honest. Like, I don't think Topstep's going to make a better deal than $11 to sign up for the combine. So I think it might be like, might be too much. I don't know. So the NASDAQ up there to a high 4650, getting stuck, pulling back again. So nice little move. We pushed right up there on the ES into that 421 fair value gap and now pulling back. So I'm pretty happy with that. We're still very much inside of that range on the daily candle. So expecting some chop. I'm going to walk away. We made money. Like I said, it's Veterans 11 is the code for the Topstep $11 deal. I got to get on the road. I want to thank everybody for tuning in today. We had another very, very solid day of action. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me hit the like button. I apologize. Somebody left a tip earlier, $10. I didn't get to read it. Sorry, I didn't see it. But big thank you, guys, for tuning in, supporting the stream. I know there's other options out there. I know I get crazy sometimes. It's all just a part of the action, the fun. Nothing I love more than fucking waking up in the morning, crushing the markets, and then going out and living my life, right? Like, that's the goal. We're not here to work 9 to 5. We're here to fucking make money and then walk the fuck away. That's it. That is the goal. Nobody starts trading with the goal of like, I want to be a day trader so I can sit on the computer for 8 hours a day. Yeah. No, that is never the fucking goal. So if that's what you're doing, you got to stop it. You got to pick like 2 or 3 hours, focus on those 2 or 3 hours, crush it, and then fucking get out of there. If you're a guy, if you're a girl, go to the fucking gym afterwards. Do something active. Go for a run. Enjoy fucking life. You know? That's why I do it. The reason I want to be a day trader is so I fucking wake up in the morning, I crush the markets, and then I go fucking enjoy my life. So if that's not what you're doing, you got to rearrange something. You got to figure it out. Trust me, spending all day on the fucking computer, trying to trade all fucking day, you're just going to blow a fucking fuse. You're going to waste your time in the long run. And I've tried it. Trust me, like I've tried to sit here and trade fucking from open to close. It'll just, you'll end up just blowing a fucking fuse, my friends. So there it is. I got to go. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Turbo Tuesday. We're off to a really solid start. A beautiful day. I am very, very lucky to do what I do, and I live this dream every day. So big thank you for you guys for supporting the stream always. And like I said, we're here to make money. We're here to have fun, and we're doing it live on YouTube every day. So big thank you. I don't know why I keep saying thank you, but thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.